John Trummel of Packlytics. In today's video, we're going to do an unboxing of one of our sensor kits for our smart box made for stretch wrappers. All right, we're going to open up the sensor kit for stretch wrappers that goes with the Packlytics smart box. Again, packaging. You'll notice this bullseye on the front. That is actually for assisting when you're doing the install for laser aiming and calibration of our sensor kits. Again, this box opens from the front. And just like all of our Packlytics products, it includes an instruction card, as long as you can also go to our website and get all these instructions plus more videos and detailed videos on the install. You'll find as soon as you open this box that you'll have two sets of standard 5-pin M12 cables. They connect to the sensors, and then those connect to our smart box. Inside the box, we'll have mounts and accessories and the sensors themselves. We are partnered with IFM, who provide our sensors. And again, this box opens by pressing that in. And you'll have two sensors for a stretch wrapper kit. Also comes with safety labels. Those need to go on the machines. That's instructions in another video. So those are the two sensors. And then inside of here are mounts and accessories. Each kit comes with two mounts. And I will go into another video later on to tell you how to assemble these mounts and assemble the mount pieces to these sensors. Also in the box, again, is cable management and things to keep everything neat and tidy, because again, you don't want to be jamming up any machines or running cables over any moving parts. Thank you.